My respected mentors and students and Kaunikan companions, this wonderful occasion. In this presentation, summarize my research on Arabic Malayalam literature, intellectual connections between Islamic scholarship and Indian knowledge tradition. This is the structure of my research paper. Okay, and we're going to. It is the section of research paper. Okay, we are going to this topic. My research paper analyze is Arabic Malayalam developments and scholarly relevance, literary forms, and its role in socio-cultural exchange in Kerala. Okay. Next, what is Arabic Malayalam? What is the Arabic Malayalam? Arabic Malayalam is Malayalam language written using the Arabic script. It emerged during Arab interaction with Kerala. It means Malayalis. That script bridged linguistic gaps between Arab traders and local Malayalam speaking people. It functioned as a medium for religious teachings, scholarship, and communication. Okay, what is the mean by Indian knowledge tradition? Indian knowledge tradition refers to collective intellectual, cultural, spiritual, and scientific heritage of India. Arabic Malayalam became a medium through which Islamic scholarship interacted with this tradition through literary, theological, historical, and medical writings. Okay, next, my paper examines what is the historical background of Arabic Malayalam. That is, Arabs arrived in Kerala before the 8th century CE. Malayalam at the time was strongly Tamil influenced. Arabs need an understandable medium to propagate Islam teachings in Kerala. This led to formation of Arabic Malayalam. Scholars estimate a 600-year history. Through origins may be older, possible 9th century. Okay. Next, Arabic Malayalam forming, that script forming have three type of theories. Lot of theories, important three. First one is script adaptation theory. That view considers Arabic Malayalam as part of a global pattern which local languages adopt the Arabic script, like Arabic Tamil, Arabic Kannada, Arabic Sindhi, and etc. And second theory is organic evolution theory. That means theory states the Arabic Malayalam was not a planned script, but naturally evolved through continuous Arabic Malayalis interactions. The last one is independent language theory. Some scholars argue that O Abu is the famous writer in Arabic Malayalam literature. And also some writers argue Arabic Malayalam is a separate language with its own grammatical structure. It is the three concepts, the three theory of formation of Arabic Malayalam. Next is some scholars, I'm reading a book, Arabic Malayalam history book that writer, Dr. Rashid, sharing Arabic Malayalam is a residence, symbol of residence against colonial. That means residence refers to culture or linguistic method used to perceive identity against external domination. Arabic Malayalam acted as a tool of resistance against English colonial influence. It helped the Mapla community maintain cultural independence. The history checking the America, a writer, he using his language against British. This is a normal thing. And then this topic is different Arabic Malayalam have a different typing methods, different typing writing forms and literary forms. Okay, first writing forms is scholarly works. Scholarly works. First one is scholarly works. This include Quran translations, hadith, jurisprudence, ethics, medical texts, and history. Scholarly texts help transmit Islamic knowledge to Kerala Muslims. Some important area have Arabic Malayalam I will also discuss. One is Quran translation. Translating the Quran into Malayalam using Arabic script allowed people to access religious teachings. Example, writer Mainkuti is writing 8-volume handwriting Quran translation because that time he don't have a press or printing machines. And another area of historical writings. This works documented Islamic history and Kerala history, also Indian and worldwide histories. Example include Manakibut, Siddiq, Siratul Nabi, Fathul Fatah, and Tuhfatul Mujahid. It's one of the most famous one. Writer Zainuddin Makhdum. The famous writer is of that book. Official language is Arabic, but the famous writer K. Musankuddin tried that Tuhfatul Mujahidin translate to Arabic Malayalam. It's too simple to learn that topics. They mainly focus on the Kerala history, Indian history, and against the symbol of colonial rule in Kerala. Next area is medical text. This works apply traditional medical knowledge using Arabic Malayalam. Example include Vaidyanam, Marma Shastram, and Vasuri Chikitsa Kirtanam. That time Kerala have a biggest epidemic is Vasuri, that called chickenpox. That time writing Vasuri Chikitsa Kirtanam to help to all how to defend that epidemic, what is the way to treatment patients, and lot of things that happen. And another writing form is famous is newspapers and magazines. That time Arabic Malayalam have born newspapers and magazines. Arabic Malayalam journalism spread religious education and anti-colonial awareness. Notable publication is Hidayatul Ikhwan. It's the first newspaper in Arabic Malayalam. And Mani Vilak, the first magazine in Arabic Malayalam. And also Salahul Ikhwan, Al-Islam, Al-Irshad, and Nisabul Islam. And another area is Arabic Malayalam literary forms. First one is Malapat, a revolution poetic form narrating the lives and miracles of his personalities. The earliest, most famous is Muhyiddin Mala. Everyone know this Muhyiddin Mala is an example for Arabic Malayalam Malapat literature form. Another is Kisapat. That means narrative poetic compositions describe the stories of prophets and right figures. Example include Yusuf Kisa, Adam Nabi Kisa, and Ibrahim Kisa, and etc. Another form, literary form is Padapat. That means that refers to war songs describing battles, bravery, and historical conflicts within the community. The last one is Nul Madhu, religious praise, poems, horns, scholars, science, and prophets. Another one is the main important pointing of my research, socio-cultural exchange. How to Arabic Malayalam become to socio-cultural exchange? Socio-cultural exchange refers to the exchange ideas, values, customs, and knowledge between community. Arabic Malayalam facilitated such exchange by connecting Islamic scholarship with Malayalam speaking society. And finally, what can we learn from Arabic Malayalam or my presentation? That is, Arabic Malayalam is a powerful example of linguistic adaptation, cultural preservation, and intellectual sciences. It preserves religious knowledge, encourages education, strengthens community identity, and linked Islamic scholarship with Indian intellectual tradition. I hope you all are understanding my presentation. So thanks for hearing me. I'm concluding my words. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.